Tired of old teams cluttering your Jira sidebar? Learn exactly how to delete them in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the 7 simple steps to remove any team from your Jira account. So let's get started. First, you want to open up your Jira account. Just head over to your browser and log in like you normally would. Make sure you're on the main dashboard where you can see all your recent projects and activity. Now, look over at the left side panel. You'll see a menu with different options. Go ahead and click on Teams. It's usually listed right there alongside your projects and other key sections. This is where all your teams live, both the active ones and the ones you probably forgot about. All right, here comes the part where you actually pick the team you want to get rid of. Scroll through the list and click on the specific team you want to delete. Maybe it's an old team from a project that wrapped up months ago, or a duplicate that somehow got created. Click on it to open up the team's details page. Now, pay attention to this one. Look at the top right corner of that team page. You should see 3 dots. It's a little icon, like a vertical ellipsis. Click on it to open a drop-down menu with more options. From that drop-down menu, you'll see a few choices. Look for the one that says Delete Team. Just click on it. Now, I've tested this myself, and I can tell you that Jira doesn't just let you delete a team without a couple of confirmation steps. So don't worry, you won't accidentally delete something important. A confirmation dialog will pop up on your screen. This is where Jira asks you to be absolutely sure. You'll see a checkbox that says something like, "I understand this is permanent," or a similar confirmation line. Go ahead and click that checkbox. This is your last chance to back out, so make sure you've picked the right team. Finally, click the Delete Team button to finish the process. And that's it. The team disappears from your list, and your workspace starts feeling a whole lot cleaner. Now your team list is organized with only the active teams that you actually need. No more scrolling past old clutter in your sidebar. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.